This is a very useful feature and I use it a lot, as you're about to see. And I do it because it just makes my life more organized and I can figure out what I'm gonna post in literally a week from now and have it all ready to go. It started with drafting a post. It's much like creating a new post. You wanna go down to the bottom where there's the plus symbol. And as you can see here, once you do have images in your draft, you will see your drafts right here along the top. And if you hit manage, then they will all pop up here. So these are all the drafts that I prepared. Now I can even go in here and I've created a description for it and I've tagged the location and I have it set up to post to my Facebook page. So that's all set. All I gotta do this day, which is gonna be tomorrow when I post this specific image. Let me show you how to actually make a drafted post because a lot of people don't know how to do it and it's not very obvious. We're gonna pick out a picture that we wanna post. Let's go with, let's just pick this one for the example. So what you wanna do is hit next, do your editing, hit next. Now once you're at this screen here, you know, type in what you want to type, landing in Phoenix, whatever, just for the example. We're going to tag Phoenix, Arizona. All right, looks good. So we want to save this to our drafts. As you can see, there is no save button here. Instagram does not really make it that obvious. So I'm going to show you. All you do is hit the back arrow, hit the back arrow again. And at this point, it's gonna ask you, if you go back now, your image edits will be discarded. So you can either discard them or you can hit save draft. We're gonna hit save draft. And now, as you can see, it's the first picture in my drafts. If we go to manage here, we can see it. If we click on it, it'll open it up. I can share it. I can edit the post. I can do pretty much anything right here. So yeah, that's how you draft a post on Instagram. I just wanted to show people how to do that because I've got quite a few friends on Instagram and none of them knew how to draft posts until I showed them. But yeah, let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment below if it did. Definitely like the video and subscribe for more.